let me get you into that sport mode. If you left click your paddle, you're now in manual mode. You've got your first gear. We're in dynamic, we're in sport, so you've got all the kind of performance configuration there. So from here, let's start to head across to the gap. Wiper wise on this Jaguar, it's just click up. That's it. That puts you onto the intermittent. Looks clear left, so we're okay to take that right turn. Brilliant.
Oh, so much torque.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
So we haven't really got any major puddles yet on the track, huge ones, so that's a good sign. So yeah, gear-wise, as you're coming into this complex, remember, once you're straight on the brakes, down to third gear, literally trying to hit that orange, and then really tuck the car into the right side of the track here. Again, keep it into the left. And at this point, just start to squeeze that throttle and use all that track on the far side. Good place here to click up a gear. Keep the acceleration going right up to the orange cone, but do a light touch of brakes before you turn. Brilliant, and then just gently bring the nose of the car into the left. Ideally, it's that couple of meters off the blue curves, that kind of distance, and be really gradual, bringing the nose of the car into the yellow, but don't apply that power until literally that steering wheel becomes more straight. So about here, you start to feed in gently the power. Good line. Hold this gear, light early braking, brake about here. Now off those brakes, get the car to the yellow before you power. So just be patient, as that steering wheel becomes more straight, feeding the speed. That curb can get greasy, so just keep off it. You can a bit more to the right, and now bring the nose of the car back, get that perfect straight line, and brake, and just feeding those downshifts all the way up to the orange, and then take that little bit of roll momentum into the chicane. This is where it's slippery, the single seat in the wet. This kind of area. So this way should be super smooth. Perfect. So I'd come back down to fourth.
Okay, sorry.
Don't worry, just keep it off the left there. And as you get to the yellow, your steering wheel's going to start to straighten slightly. Just feed in the power up the hill, keep the middle of the track. Taking the steering lock now into the corner. You're going to get a lovely straight line here for braking. And as you brake it down to third, just turn the car on the brakes. Perfect. And into that direction of the yellow. So you just train that brakes just into the turn. Helps your front grip. So once again, just let the car come out and just gently feed in that power. You can just keep increasing the speed right up to the orange cone, and then do a little bit of braking. I'd come down to fourth with the Jaguar, and then just hold fourth here. Now these are the corners where too much momentum is just going to slide on the surface. You just hold it back. This speed's brilliant. Once you sense that the car's got to the apex, it's had the grip to get to the apex, now just squeeze the throttle gently, keep squeezing it, maybe get fifth here, keep off the edge of the track there, keep looking ahead. So don't change gear, but just do light early braking about here. As you turn off those brakes, get onto the white line next to the yellow, and now feed the power in, keep accelerated up to the curb, but don't go on it. Brilliant. That's it, then over to the middle of the track, keep that acceleration going. Now just bring it in towards the yellow, and then tap on those brakes, and down those gears. That's what, let's overtake the Renault on the right hand side. It goes to the right, right.
Sorry.
That's it.
Sorry.
Okay, go. Okay, now brake.
Oops.
That's it. That'd be super smooth. Hold fourth gear, keep the car in the middle of the track. Just gently bring it into the left. And then, so when you come onto the just turn the car on the brakes. Brilliant, really smooth, absolutely brilliant. You can feel the grip that you create in the front of the car.
Yeah.
Again, don't power too soon, be patient, get to the apex, use the track on the outside. Let's go to the right of this one. Now we keep right, just do that little dab of the brakes. So it's really I think go to the right of this one. Perfect. We'll just hold back. Oh, go past the Alpine, but don't go past the single seaters. We're just hold fire a second. If you go down to third gear, as you get to the yellow, we're going to keep right here.
Okay.
Yeah, let's squeeze past. Keep right, don't we? Just hold this line. That's it. Keep to the right. We'll get past the first single seater. Just stay on the right. It's fine. Bit of braking. Bit of braking because it's coming into the apex. Okay, go past, brilliant. Yeah, good bit of patience there. Sometimes if you haven't seen us, you have to be a little bit cautious. That's it, so just bring that nose of the car over and just get that lovely straight braking. So on the brakes now, down those gears. Tip is just keep off the edge of the track, so where the orange cone is, just keep a little bit to the right of it, because that's where the puddle forms.
Yeah.
And then get nice and close to your apex. Excellent. Middle of the track. Ever so gently bring the car into the left, so you're on the brakes, down into third, and just turn on the brakes, just allow the brake pressure to go into the apex, and just gently pick up the throttle. This especially here, just really be patient. Again, let the nose of the car get in the right direction and then just feed the power slowly. So up into fourth, keep accelerating, just keep gradually building speed all out to the orange cone, keep going, and now touch the brakes to stabilise the car. Let the car change direction, get to the yellow, ever so gently pick up that throttle. Again, nice and quiet here to the left. As you get next to the yellow, the halfway point, we're going to keep right of that car, just feed the power in. What we're doing here, let's do a light touch of the brakes, come down to fourth, so aim for your apex, and ever so gently add power. We can go to the right of the Puma there. We're back into the pits here.
Thank you very much.
No, good, very smooth, very precise, brilliant. Just keep in mind the single seater, because it's so lightweight. I mean, was it 600 kilos?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy, so light. What you get with that is, you know those corners as we're feeding the power in, if you sense through the steering, like any vibration when the car's sliding at all, just don't overreact, but just gently bring the power back slightly, modulate it, just bring it back slightly. The worst thing to do is literally, is when drivers have hard acceleration and dramatic lift off. Yeah, just here's perfect.
Of course, because that's when you get the lift off oversteer, isn't it?
Exactly, because what can happen, you'll generate the understeer by just trying to take too much speed with steering.